Hi everyone, welcome to Depicter. Pop-ups are great for capturing the visitor's attention, and you can add them to your website using Depicter for free. See the cool pop-up on this website? I'm going to show you how to add it to your website. It's easy. Let's get going. First, we need to add Depicter Pop-up Builder. So go to Plugins, Add New, and search Pop-up Builder in the search bar. There's Depicter Pop-up Builder. Install and activate it. Head to Depicter dashboard and choose the pop-up category from the top. Choose a free pop-up template and import it. Customize it to your liking. In this case, I'll start with changing the image. I'll make my job easier by going to Stock Photos on the left and choose an image from there. This one will do. Just drag and drop it. Nice! Now let's change the texts, starting from the title down to the bottom. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. When done, hit publish. Only one thing is left. Let's manage the pop-up visibility. Open Display Rules. In Triggers, enable the Spend Time on Page and set the duration to 6 seconds. You can see that most of the triggers are only for pro users. To unlock them all, here's a 100% coupon for you. Claim it before someone else does and leave a comment to let us know. Publish now. Let's view the result on our website. And there you have it. The pop-up appeared right on time and it looks pretty. Alright, that's it everyone. Hope you enjoyed the video. Ciao!